What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Jeep Wrangler remote key fob. This Jeep Wrangler key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we take a look at the bottom of it, down here near the key ring, you can see there's this little notch right here that I'm putting the end of the screwdriver in. What I'm going to do is stick my screwdriver in that notch like that, and then just twist it. And as I do that, you can see it pops the back cover off, or up. And then I'll pull the cover the rest of the way off like that. Now looking at this battery holder, you can see there's a little bit of a notch right here, and that's designed to allow you to get a screwdriver in on the edge of that battery and pop it out of that holder like that. Now we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in first like this, and then snap it down into place. And then I'll snap the back cover on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.